What's good, y'all? B&B TV. Just got the package in the mail today. For the tripod for my camera. So we're gonna check this bad boy out. Look at that Bauer 72-inch Steady Lift Series photo video tripod. Yeah, y'all see that? There's where you put your camera on. Some pictures here. 180 tilt, 360 swivel, quick release. Dimensions. Some things on the box. But yeah, this is for my Sony HDR CX130. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, carrying case. This is nice. Look at this. Look at this carrying case I got. Oh yeah. I'm liking this. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Look, it's even got a strap. Even has a strap on it. I mean, let's check this bad boy out. Oh yeah, steel. Yeah, this ain't no bullshit tripod. This is the real deal right here, y'all. 72 inches. It's like 6 feet. Oh yeah, it's got firm grips. Locking mechanisms right here on the bottom. Even has a strap here. Here is the so this is the bottom tripod right here. Yeah, buddy. This is it. You'll be seeing B&B TV official videos coming real soon. Watch out, cause I'll be doing some major things this year, 2012. But yeah, this is the tripod, and you'll be seeing 2 other unboxing videos coming soon. So get at me.